how to manifest with a great success rate and how to manifest actually reality shifting. Because I had investigated that a little bit and I say, of course, we don't jump reality, but sometimes it feels like we had jumped reality. And why does it feels like that? And why do the coaches talk about that? Because the I remember when technique is on the run. If you use the I remember when technique, you don't replace something you don't like. You actually address the issues straight to your subconscious mind. That means your subconscious mind will remove the issue without interfering with your other aspects of reality. And that can be a power in itself. The I remember when technique actually proves the two things for me. First, reincarnation. Because if you can be unaware of something with the I remember when technique, if babies are unaware when they get born, then they will tear this world apart and destroy anything, I guess. So, in order to be born on a deadly planet, you actually need to have a soul, and that soul will contains 144,000 different beliefs and things you have from a past life. Some of these beliefs are new from the past life, some of them comes from multiple reincarnations, and of course that. The other thing that I remember when technique actually prove is you don't need to listen to anyone that say the word not don't work. You can actually use the word not. And of course, I also have a little example here about loud neighbors. If your neighbors play loud music, you can actually write something like, my neighbors don't play loud music anymore. Something like that. And from that, they will simply stop playing loud music. They don't stick in your reality. They don't, nothing. There is no golden rule here. They stop playing music because something will happen that will force them to not play music anymore. And this is the true power of knowing manifestation and the list method. You can test these myths.